everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing an absolute beast, the brand new ASUS TUF Gaming F16, model FX607E-RL076WS. If you're looking for power, performance, and portability all in one gaming machine, this one might just hit the sweet spot. Let's dive right in. First off, ASUS sticks to its TUF roots with this rugged, military-grade packaging. The box is solid, minimal, and screams durability. Exactly what you'd expect from the TUF series. Inside, you've got the laptop nicely cushioned. Along with it, there's a 200-watt power adapter, some user manuals, and ASUS stickers. Clean, no clutter, just the essentials. Alright, here it is. ASUS TUF Gaming F16. Right off the bat, it feels premium yet sturdy. The Eclipse Grey finish looks sleek, and the signature TUF branding gives it that edgy gamer look. This model packs a punch. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ada 4GB GPU. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, it's built to handle it all. We've got a backlit chiclet keyboard with one zone RGB and even a dedicated Copilot key. Perfect for those Windows 11 AI features. The keys feel tactile, spaced well, and gamer-friendly. There's a stunning 16-inch WXGA display that's 1920 by 1200 resolution with a sharp 16 by 10 aspect ratio and a buttery-smooth 140Hz refresh rate. It's bright, it's fluid, and it gives you more vertical space for gaming and work. You've got all the ports you need: USB-C, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and more. And with military-grade durability, this laptop is built to survive everyday bumps and bruises. Specs recap: Intel Core i5, NVIDIA RTX 3050, Ada 4GB, 16GB, DDR4 RAM, 16-inch, WWXGA, 144Hz, display 1610, RGB keyboard with Copilot key, Windows 11 Home. So that's a quick unboxing of the ASUS TUF Gaming F16. Powerful internals, sharp display, and that signature TUF durability. Let me know in the comments if you want a full gaming performance test or thermal breakdown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.